Hey guys, welcome to Coach Holly's Wonderful to PE. Today we have a super fun game that you can play in your driveway, in your yard. Just a little spot of land is all you need. We're just gonna play in between these lines here. You guys have played this game with us before with lots of cones. Today me and Nate are just gonna do 4 cones. Someone's gonna knock them down, someone's gonna pick them up. If you don't have cones, you could use little tiny, you could use cereal boxes that are empty. You could use little plastic cups. Anything that you can knock down and pick up without it breaking. Have you figured out what the game is yet? That's right, it's bulldozers and cranes. The bulldozer's job is to run around with their hands, no kicking, and to knock it down. Then the crane has to come by, pick it up. We're gonna go for 60 seconds. Once the timer goes off, if the bulldozer has more than 2 down, bulldozer wins. If I have more than 2 up, so 3, I win, okay? Nate, are you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. And begin. It's on. Stop hitting them so far away. Want to set the timer? Beep, beep, beep. Okay.
I got all 4.
That's how the game goes. Gets your heart rate really jacked up, and it's super fun. Hope you guys play it. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.